2500, training number 2. And in this training, I want to talk to you about how to
都同你講
maintain
一講點樣是你嘅 Club 2500嘅會籍。
Now,
好啦，
assuming
假設咧
that you're
你
in the
已經
club,
喺
if you're
club
not,
裏邊啦，但係如果未嘅話咧，
file this
你就
stuff
收藏
away
好呢
because
啲
it's
資
going to
料，
help you
因為可以幫
in
助你
qualifying
係
in
符合
addition
資
to
格嘅。除
maintaining,
咗
right?
呢一個嘅位置之
Qualifying,
外，符合資格
maintaining,
維持
those are
呢
both
兩
very,
樣嘢
very
都係
important.
非常非常之
What I've
緊要
learned
㗎。
in
咁我
working
學
in
識
the
喺呢一個
marketplace,
市場
working
裏
around the
邊，喺
world in
全
real
球
life,
嘅
there's
康
a
寶萊分
huge
享裏
difference
邊咧，
between
呢
a
一個嘅領
supervisor
班
and
同
a
一個
club
Club 2500嘅
2500.
領班係好唔同嘅。
There's
另外
also a
咧
huge
就
difference
係
between
一個
a
嘅
club
Club
2500
2500領
supervisor
班，
who does
佢
it
哋
one
係只做到
time
一次，
and somebody
同
who
一
does it
個咧
once
佢
in
可
a
以
row,
係連續
3
2個
months
月、
in a
連
row,
續3個月、連
5
續
months in
5
a
個
row,
月、
12
連
months in
續
a row.
12個月
Big
做到係
difference.
好唔同㗎。
And
另外
one of the
嘢咧，
things that I
咁
realized
我咧就
early
係
in
我
my
喺呢一
network
個直
career
銷嘅事業裏邊，
is
好早期我已經知道嘅就係、
I was always
我
looking
成日都
for
諗
ways
啲
that I
方
could
法，
separate
點樣我
myself from
可
that,
以咧同一啲平庸嘅人咧係
differentiate
突圍而
myself
出
from the
嘅，
crowd.
我點樣可以與眾不同？
Like one of my
好似咧，
early
我好早期，
lessons I got
我
from one of
嘅
my
其中一個
mentors
師
is
傅教
never
我嘅就
miss
係、
a company
千祈唔
event.
好錯過任何
Never
公
miss
司
a
嘅活
destination
動
event.
會議，唔好錯過
Because some
任何
people
一個
come
地
and
點
go,
嘅會
come and
議
go,
㗎，
but if
因
you
為
don't
啲
keep
人
coming
會
back,
進出進出，但
you
係如果你
separate
不斷
yourself
嚟嘅話咧，
from
咁
error.
咧你就平庸
Okay,
就可以
I can
與
do
眾
that.
不同㗎啦，我可以
So
做到。
learning how to
咁
give a
所以學識點樣
presentation,
嚟到
I
做分
separated
享，
myself again.
咁我亦都係同人與眾不
Learning
同㗎。
how to
學
build
識
a
點樣
team,
建
I
立團
separated
隊，
myself
我
again.
亦都再
Rank
次與
advancement,
眾不
moving
同
through
㗎。
the
咁所以我喺市場計劃裏邊咧， 就
compensation
不斷
structure,
咁
up
樣
the pay
嚟
levels.
到係更上一層樓㗎。
I
我
separated
嘅編
myself
成日都
again
換
each
緊，我
time.
又再次
Separation,
嘅呢一個
separation,
與眾不同，
separation,
每一
separation.
次都係與眾不同、與眾不同、與
I
眾不
learned
同
if,
㗎。
if I
我
became a
學識，
trainer, I
如
could
果成為一
separate
個訓
myself.
練者咧，我亦都
But
可以同其他人與眾不同㗎。
this little
但係
measurement,
呢一個
Club
少少
2500,
嘅呢個 Club
so
2500
critical.
咧係非常之關鍵㗎。
So
所以
in the previous training,
喺
I
上次嘅
asked you
訓
to
練
make a
裏邊咧
decision.
我咧就請大
Make a
家要作
decision,
出一
you're
個
going to get
決
it done.
定，作出決定，你一
And
定
you
要
might
做
not be
到
done
㗎。
yet. You
可
might
能
be
你
in
仲未
process,
做
that's
到，
fine.
可能你而家係
But
做緊，呢個冇問題㗎。
lock in that you're going to get
但
there
係你需要知道，
and
你
then
一定要
and
做
then
到㗎。
also make a decision that
然
you're
之後
going
咧
to
要作出
stay
一個
there.
決定，就係你要係留
Now,
喺
when
嗰
you're
度。
moving through
好啦，
the ranks,
咁你
right?
喺呢一
You
啲嘅
you
位
might
階
get to
嗰
Club
度啦，不
2500,
斷
the
更
next
上一層
month
樓。
maybe you
咁
miss
咧
it
就
for
下
some
個月你
reason,
可能做到
and
呢
then
一
you
個
make
Club
it again,
2800，
then
可
you miss it,
能
then you make it.
跟
It
住
might
做唔
take a
到，
little
跟住
while
做到，
for it
跟
to
住又
be
做唔到，
stable,
唔同嘅原因。
where you
但
it's
係需要
every
一段
month,
時
it's
間先至
automatic.
可以穩定㗎，唔係話每個月
And
係自
then
動做
once
到
you're
㗎。
there every month,
咁
maybe
但
by
係
the
你每個
last
月
week
做
of
到
the
嘅
month,
時候咧，
maybe
可能咧你
eventually
就
you're
可能
qualifying
係
in the
一個
third
月
week
仲
of
有
the
一
month,
日，
and
可能
eventually
有
you're
時第
qualifying
3
in
個
the
禮拜就
second
做
week of the
到
month,
啦。
and
咁咧希望
eventually
咧
you're
就係話你
qualifying
係
in
第
the
2個月，最終咧
first
就
week of
係
the
話
month, and
第
some
1
of the
個
superstars
月
maybe
第一個
qualify the
禮
first
拜就
day,
做到㗎。
first day
咁
of every
你
month
甚至
they
係第
qualify.
1 日每個月第1日就做到㗎。
Stronger and stronger business, yes?
話越嚟越犀利
So
嘅事業嚟㗎，越強
what
大
I
嘅事
want
業
you to
嚟㗎。
have
所以我希望
is
你哋
the
有嘅
ability
係有呢個能力，你
patient
哋嘅呢個資
into a
格變
predictable
成一個
business
你可以預估嘅一個事
that
業，
you can
你係
count
可以
on
依賴，
the
你
volume that's going to
將
happen
會
from
喺呢
the
個事
business
業
that
可
you
以產生幾多嘅銷售量。
And in
為
order
咗
to
做
do
到呢
that,
樣嘢
what
咧，
you
你
need
需要
to
做
do
嘅咧就
is
係
think
諗
about
翻
the
康
5
寶萊成
pillars
功嘅5
of
個
Herbalife
支
success.
柱。
And you have to
你必
master
須要
these
掌握
5
好呢
pillars.
5個支柱。
If you want to
如
be
果你
able
係
to
真係
really
想
have
有
a
一個你可以
predictable
預
income
計嘅收
and
入，
grow
同
this
埋呢一
over
個
the
嘅
long
長
term,
期有所發展，
you
你
got to
必
master
須
these
要掌握呢
5
5
pillars.
個
And
嘅
I'll
支
go
柱。
through
我
them one at a
每一
time.
個一個
The
同你
first
哋
is
講。
selling.
第一就係呢一個
Can
生
you
意，
sell your
你可唔
way
可以做生
to
意，使你符合
qualification at
Club
Club
2500嘅
2500?
資格？
Of
當
course.
然可以啦。
Could you
咁你可唔
operate
可以有一
some
啲
sort
嘅
of
俱樂
club or
部
some sort of
或者有啲嘅每日營
EMO
運
in
模
order
式
to business
喺
well
你
in order to
嘅
be
呢
able
一個事業流程裏邊，使你浮資格當然100%可以㗎。
And
咁呢個係好好嘅，就係話可以有呢個能力做到呢樣嘢。但係我希望大家有嘅咧，就係話唔單止係你自己嘅生意，因為只係依賴你自己嘅生意咧，你永遠都唔可以唞㗎。你永遠咧就唔可以話喺你人生裏邊發生一啲嘅嘢，使你係可以放低嘅，唔可以有嘢係有問題㗎。有問題乜嘢都係靠你一個人㗎。咁呢一啲咧就好多嘅呢啲公司嘅老闆咧，乜嘢都係靠佢哋㗎，所以佢哋唔係擁有呢個生意，係生意擁有佢啊。所以呢一個咧就係有啲問題啦。咁你可唔可以更有效咁樣去做生意咧？當然可以啦。你可能有一個方法而家係用緊㗎，咁誒就話你一個機會咧就學識用呢個社交媒體，可唔可以咧？可以啦。你可唔可以透過轉介紹做生意咧？當然可以啦。 有好多唔同嘅方法，你都係可以做呢一個生意㗎。但係你可唔可以學識揾更多嘅準客戶、準直銷商咧？喺你嘅唔同嘅呢一個事業流程，可以揾更多嘅人流咧？當然可以，當然可以做到啦。所以銷售係好好嘅，因為其中一個支柱㗎。咁我哋嘅生意必須要有呢一個嘅，一定有銷售先得㗎。咁如果咧就冇銷售咧，咁冇人就可以賺到錢㗎。銷售非常之緊要嘅，但係如果俾你哋睇點樣一個可以大家預計到嘅事業，可以預計到嘅就可以做到 Club 2500嘅資格。我而家咧就促請各位要加第二個支柱啦，就係保薦。保薦。我哋要建立一個係不斷咁樣擴展嘅呢一啲嘅事業，係可以係有其他人喺我哋嘅團隊裏邊㗎。你開始就有啲借力啦，所以咧，做生意好好冇問題，非常之好。但係如果咧喺未來12個月咧，你咧就做出雙生意咧，就每個月都係做到級2500，就好大壓力㗎。但係如果你建立一個團隊，如果你係揾到一大班人，就算每人做少少，哇！如果你話你團隊裏邊有5個人，每一個人揾到5個客，哇！咁你就有20個客㗎啦。你呢一個團隊裏邊5個，每人5個，咁已經20個客就係佢哋嘅，你自己就20個客，咁就45個客㗎啦。咁係咪使你更加容易可以維持你 Club 2500嘅會籍咧？咁如果你可以團隊裏邊揾到10個人，每一個咧就係賣咗2個產品，咁啊一個月咧就有2個客，咁咧即係佢哋有20個咯，你有20個就40個噶啦，係咪容易啲啊？而唔需要話揾5個，然之後每一個人揾2個。如果你團隊裏邊係要100個人，每一個人咧就一個月有1個嘅新客。賺少少嘅錢，好享受呢一個流程，好享受呢啲產品嘅。哇！咁如果咧就係符合呢一個 Club 2500嘅資格，係咪好容易啊？如果佢哋每一個係1個，即係有100個客㗎啦，100個啊！再加上你自己做到嘅，而家你有更大嘅穩定度，好冇？好啦，當然咧就係銷售呢個好重要啦，保薦當然啦好重要啦，但係有好多人咧，佢哋做銷售嘅時候咧覺得好舒服啦，特別咧就係有呢一個嘅俱樂部嘅模式，我想你諗一諗。我有冇好好嘅把握康寶萊可以提供俾我哋喺保薦呢一方面呢？我有冇啲乜嘢嘅進步嘅空間？講到保薦方面，我做保薦可唔可以做得更好呢？我可唔可以開始建立一個團隊呢？我可唔可以製造一個嘅願景呢？我可唔可以咧就係製造出未來嘅願景，使人興奮嘅係呢度有一個機會俾我嘅呢？我答應你係一定有㗎。我初初加入嘅時候呢，我對銷售我唔係覺得咁自然㗎，我比較中意嘅就建立一個團隊嘅，建立一個團隊咧，我中意多過銷售㗎。我希望好快咧就有一大班人做少少，而唔係幾個人做多多。咁樣，其實冇啱同錯嘅。我意思即係話咧，你可以對於保薦咧好中意，你對於銷售好中意，你可以對兩樣嘢都好中意，同啲人分享。唔理係咩嘅方法都唔緊要㗎。咁你可以咧，即係銷售去保薦，保薦去銷售㗎。兩個一齊做都可以，係完全你自己決定㗎。但係如果你唔做保薦，你就係錯過一個機會。第二個支柱，你一定要做得好穩固。對大部分人嚟講，呢一個咧就係我哋借力不足嘅一個機會嚟㗎。好啦，咁喺上次嘅視頻裏邊，全世界等緊一個嘅解決方案，佢哋想有你哋要嘅，你哋有嘅嘢，但佢哋就係唔知道佢哋有啲咩嘢。好多時佢知嘅咧，其實一啲係先入為主嘅諗法嚟㗎。呢個唔係真實你哋有嘅嘢，所以你係需要去教育佢哋。所以銷售係第一個支柱，第二個支柱係保薦，第三個支柱係保留。我想大家諗一諗，有陣時咧，哇！我哋好快咧，就賣完就走㗎啦。我哋咧就係唔記得咧第二次嘅單，或者係唔記得一個客要佢有一啲嘅產品效果。我見過嘅，咁有一個嘅餐廳。 好似係個餐廳教練啊，喺美國呢一度嘅，喺電話裏喺電視裏邊咧，佢係幫餐廳嘅老闆增加佢哋嘅生產力。佢話咧呢一個嘅係呢一個餐廳就好似俱樂部咁樣樣，或者任何嘅客戶嘅體驗咁樣樣，係你有參與㗎。佢話如果個客嚟到一個餐廳裏邊有一個完美無瑕嘅經驗，咁佢哋再翻嚟第二次再食嘅咧，就係40%嘅機會。幾有趣喎！完美無瑕40%啊！但係如果嗰個客第二次再翻嚟，又另外有一次完美無瑕嘅經驗咧，哇！佢哋第3次再翻嚟咧，就從40%變成42%㗎啦，少少嘅增長。但係如果嗰個人3次仍然係一個完美無瑕嘅經驗咧，再翻嚟就係73%嘅機會。所以作為餐廳老闆，一個人咧就需要點樣推廣到係有嚟3次嘅。第一次完美無瑕嘅經驗，確保有原因咧，佢哋再翻嚟嘅，俾佢哋一啲嘅，譬如一啲嘅折扣啊，俾佢啲乜嘢嘅嘢啊，一啲特別嘅嘢，唔理係咩都好。跟住第二次再諗一諗啊，呢個係第2次喎，點樣再翻嚟第3次咧？如果第3次再翻嚟咧，好有可能咧，佢哋咧就再翻嚟啦，佢哋會轉介紹朋友嚟啦。俱樂部你一樣㗎，你諗一諗做保留呢樣嘢。啲人嚟啦，好啦，飲咗一個 shake 一個茶一個咩產品啊？你有冇去推廣？要佢哋係希望佢第2、第3次翻嚟？你有冇專注喺保留，唔係淨係做生意咧？你有冇專注喺佢哋再翻嚟咧？如果係成為客，佢哋喺屋企用產品㗎，佢哋就係訂咗產品之後喺屋企用產品㗎。你有冇幫助嗰個人咧？就係用產品一個好嘅開始，佢哋有產品效果。因為都知道，如果人用康寶萊產品係一定有產品效果。有產品效果嘅話咧，佢哋咧做產品就有情緒嘅連結，有情緒嘅連結之後咧，佢哋就會翻單啦，係咪？咁所以我哋推廣嘅唔單止係對呢個客喺屋企又好，或者喺邊一度嘅事業流程都好，第一次嘅 order， 我哋係要推廣嘅就係佢哋有好幾次嘅 order， 確保佢哋係訂第2次、訂第3次、訂第4次。我哋都可以係建議其他嘅產品，等佢哋試其他嘅嘢。我哋有一啲咧，就係譬如有啲試用嘅產品，除咗佢哋而家用緊產品之外，我哋溫馨提示佢哋，喂，而家要再訂貨咯喎，可唔可以幫幫你啊？明唔明啊？所以保留咧好珍貴㗎，唔單止係對客嚟講㗎，亦都係對你建立嘅團隊係非常之珍貴㗎。我有個嘅訓練咧，係叫做越過嗰條線。呢度有一條線，呢條線嘅呢一邊咧，咁咧就一個人咧比較容易留低建立呢個事業㗎。但係呢條線嘅另外一邊咧，嗰個人咧好容易咧就放棄離開㗎。咁究竟可以做啲咩嘢，使一個嗰個人呢一個係揾咗一個嘅全新嘅直銷商，使佢哋容易啲留低落嚟咧？譬如佢哋建立咗朋友，識咗朋友就容易啲啦。就算賺到1蚊都係容易留落嚟㗎。如果簽咗一個客，簽咗一個直銷商出席一個嘅會議，如果佢哋係參與一個嘅訓練，如果佢學識更多有關產品嘅嘢，有產品嘅效果，係咪？如果佢同世界講，佢會建立一個康寶萊嘅事業。任何嘅嘢啊！我哋其實可以有一個20樣嘢㗎喺呢個名單裏邊㗎，係我哋可以做嚟到幫助呢一個人係留喺呢個生意夠長時間，又做出一個真正嘅決定。呢個係我哋嘅呢個職責嚟㗎。我哋咧就唔單止係要銷售，唔單止係保證，我哋要係保留。所以呢條線嗰度咧，佢容易留低。另外一邊係點樣啊？就係相反嘅嘢啦。又識唔到朋友，又冇用產品，又冇參與任何訓練，又冇出席任何嘅會議，有冇賺到錢？咁佢哋喺市場角度裏邊又冇更上一層樓，佢哋揾唔到任何客，揾唔到任何嘅直銷商。你可以寫出一個名單嘅，其實好容易㗎。有冇啲咩嘅嘢？你作為一個介紹人，我要幫助一個人，可以係達到呢啲少，佢哋係做到嘅嘢，使佢可以留喺度長啲時間咧？點解要維持你嘅級2500嘅會籍係咁緊要咧？如果你帶咗客同埋直銷商嚟，哇！佢哋離開嘅速度係好似你帶嚟咁快㗎，咁呢個咧你咧就會好大壓力啦。每個月咧要做到級2500， 但係如果你去留住呢一個客嘅，作為呢個下個月、再下個月、再下個月、再下個月、再下個月都係你嘅客。如果留一個直銷商，作為一個積極嘅直銷商，下個月、再下個月、再下個月、下個月、下個月，再揾自己嘅客。帶自己嘅銷售量，呢個開始咧就係減少你係要維持做到 Club 2500嘅壓力㗎，因為咧你有一個更加好嘅、更加有生產力嘅組織，所以而家佢帶嘅嗰啲人，譬如呢個月帶嚟㗎，有啲嘅人係上個月符合資格，係咪？就係你係帶入嚟嘅客，同埋你帶嚟嘅直銷商，假設4月份啦。你哋帶咗嚟5月份嘅時候帶嚟，但係如果佢哋嗰個乜都唔做㗎，你咧就要再嚟到係取代晒呢啲人。5月又要揾新嘅人，但係如果佢哋可以留低嘅話，佢哋作為客戶留低，你可以用佢啲好有創意嘅辦法，你做到同埋佢哋好興奮嘅，佢哋係留低繼續做直銷商，繼續有參與，繼續有生產力。咁有呢一個嘅基礎嘅話咧，咁再加上你嘅新嘅客同埋新嘅直銷商5月帶入嚟㗎，咁你將呢個所有嘅人帶入去6月份，好啦，嗱而家咧你可以保持佢哋符合資格，保持係活躍，保持你嘅客，保持作為呢一個嘅積極嘅直銷商，你可能冇所有人都保持到，可能有一啲係保持到，希望可以保持更多嘅人，留低更多嘅人。咁唔理你之後再加幾多上去咧？呢一個咧好似一個獎金咁樣㗎，所以3、4、5、6個月咧，哇！你就有一班嘅，唔單止係銷售，唔單止係保薦，你亦都係維持，你都係保留呢一啲嘅人，佢哋係4月、5月、6月、7月、8月嚟㗎。你可唔可以睇到咧？到年底嘅時候咧，就算你係一個新人都好，年底嘅時候，你就會一個好穩定可以預計嘅收入，可以穩定好預計嘅組織。你都係每一個月都有產生銷售量㗎，呢一個係可以預計同埋係一致㗎。我希望，因為如果你做到呢樣嘢咧，你可唔可以教其他人咧？你可唔可以教其他人咁樣做咧？使佢哋可以做到 Club 2500咧？等佢哋亦都教其他嘅嘢，佢哋要成為一個 Club 2500。而家你就開始有個厚度，有個厚度啦。好啦，銷售、保薦、保留呢一個咧就係我哋3大嘅支柱，建立康寶萊成功嘅3大支柱。第4係複製。好啦，而家我哋有做銷售啦，我哋有做保薦啦，我哋有做保留啦，跟住我哋需要就要複製啦。如果你有個事業，乜嘢都係靠你一個人嘅，咁就算你建立一個團隊，如果乜嘢咧都係靠你一個人咧，我喺頭3年半嘅時候，我做呢個嘅複製做得唔好㗎，好難㗎。卒之咧，我自己就覺悟到啦，我咧就需要咧就將有啲嘅嘢咧變得非常之簡單，我需要專注喺第三方嘅工具，我需要有一個非常之簡單基本嘅流程，使我咧就可以咧就係幫助其他人去做佢哋係需要做嘅嘢。我要確定我係以身作則。但係複製意思就係話咧，間唔中咧睇一睇你嘅團隊，然之後問你團隊嘅人，你想唔想啊？我喺呢一個 Club 2500，你想唔想喺 Club 2500啊？我只係需要3樣嘢，你做生命嘅第一樣就係呢一個願意受教同埋飢餓。如果你呢3樣嘢咧，我會係幫你，然之後訂立目標。就使你可以入到 Club 2500，因為如果你可以複製呢一個基石嘅話咧，好，你做到，而家咧你就睇下你團隊睇邊個想做到，有人舉手，我想啊，非常之好，我咧同佢合作幫佢哋，好啦，而家你維持啦，跟住而家有2個人啦，跟住咧。你就呢1-2個嘅團隊就話，下一個係邊個？邊個想做到？又揾到一個人喎，而家有3個啦，而家有4個啦、5個啦、6個啦。你係需要係跟蹤究竟喺你嘅團隊裏邊有幾多個人係 Club 2500喺你3代裏邊係2500嘅人，有幾多個啊？你應該每個月都要追蹤呢樣嘢㗎。嗰啲做到嘅人，你應該獎賞佢哋，嘉許佢哋，使佢哋覺得係非常之特別。恭喜呢一啲嘅人，所有你可以做嘅訓練呢一啲嘅人，使佢哋咧就可以維持發展同埋符合資格。你需要呢個係非常之尊貴噶，尊貴到咧佢哋會係做所有需要做嘅嘢，使佢哋可以複製。好啦，銷售、 保持、
retention,
保留、
and duplication.
複製。
You want to maintain?
你係要維持，
You have to really
你係
lean
必
in on
須
these
知
three things.
必須
these-
知
these
必須
four
要
things.
去做呢
Some of you,
四
like I
樣
said
嘢
before,
㗎。
you're good at
你有啲
selling,
人咧，好似我之前
not
所
so much
講
at
嘅，
recruiting,
銷售得
don't
好好，
pay
但唔係
attention
做好多
to
保證，
retention.
或者佢哋唔係好注意呢個保留同埋複製。複製對佢嚟講係一個秘密嚟㗎，好奧秘嘅嘢嚟㗎。但開始呢個唔係
Pay
咩秘
attention
密
to people
嚟
who
㗎。
figured it out.
你專注嗰啲人
Plug
係
in
已
with
經
your
知道
leaders
點樣做㗎，
and map
同你
out
嘅
a
領
plan so
袖
you can
睇下
learn
佢
this
哋
person.，
你都計劃出一個嘅計劃，點樣可以學識呢四個嘅技巧。呢個係頭四個支柱，第五個支柱好簡單嘅，領導力。
We need to increase
我哋要係
the
增
productivity of
加
the teams that we
我
build
哋團隊嘅生
based
產
upon
力。
our leadership.
呢一個就係根據我哋嘅領導力。
We need to cause people to do
我
more
哋
than
係
they
需要
were
啲
going
人
to
咧
do.
係要做
because
更
of our
多佢哋
leadership.
想做嘅嘢㗎，係因為我哋嘅領導力。
We need customers to stay around
我
longer
哋要
because
需
of
要
our
啲客咧
leadership.
就係留長啲時
We
間，
need
因為我哋嘅
distributors
領
to
導力
stay
同埋
around
我哋
longer
嘅
because
願
of
景，
our
我哋要直
leadership.
接上流更多時間，因為我哋嘅領導力。
Assignments and our
同埋我
discipline
俾
and
佢哋
our
嘅功課，
systems
同
and
埋我哋
our
嘅紀律，我哋嘅系
training and our
統，
support
我
and
哋嘅
everything else
訓
that we
練，我哋
provide.
嘅支援，同埋所
What we
有
wanna
我哋可以
do-
提供嘅嘢。
What I want you to
我
think
哋要
about
做
doing
嘅
when
就
it
係
comes to
希望
leadership
大家係諗一諗，講到
three
領導力嘅時候，就係
One,
三樣
lead
嘢。
yourself.
第一，帶領自己，
Lead you.
帶領自
Cause
己。
yourself to do more
而
than you
你
were
要
gonna
係將
do.
自己係做更多，係多過你本來
Be
想
a
做
good
嘅。
boss of yourself.
你要係成為自己一個嘅好嘅 boss。
And if you need to sell more,
如
and
果你
recruit
係
more
需
in
要
order to be able
賣
to
更
fill
多、
the
保
gap,
證更多，
coach
先至
yourself
可
on
以
how
補
to
咗呢一
maintain
個
Club
嘅差
2500.
距，教自己點樣可以
Most of
維
you
持
are
級
very, very good
2500。
coaches.
你哋大部分嘅人都係
If
非
there's
常之好
somebody
嘅
came
教
and
練
said,
嘅。
"Oh, excuse me,
咁
would
而
you
家
teach me
你
how to
話，
get to Club
唔好意思啊，
2500?"
你
You
可唔
would
可以
teach
教
them.
我咧？就點樣做到級2500
You
咧？
might not be
你可以
qualified,
教
but you
佢
could
哋
teach
㗎，
somebody else.
可能你自己
I
唔
want
符
you
合
to
資格，
teach
但係可以
yourself.
教其他人。我要你教你
Teach
自己，
yourself how to
教
become
你自
Club
己
2500.
點樣係成為級
Ongoing
2500，
qualified.
不
Not only
斷
one
成為
time, but
符
every
合級
time.
2500資格，唔係
How
淨
to
係
do
一
it?
次，係每一次點樣做到呢
So
樣嘢。
learn how to lead
所以
you.
學識點樣帶領
Number
自
two,
己。第二樣
learn
嘢，
how to lead
學
others.
識點樣帶領其他人。
Learn how to give your team
學識係
assignments.
點
Learn
樣
how to
俾
give
功
your
課俾
team
你嘅團隊
challenge.
去做，學識點樣係
Learn
俾一啲
how
挑
to
戰俾
share
你嘅
your
團
vision
隊，
with your
學
team
識
to
點樣
why
係
they
同你
should
團
get
隊
into
分
this
享你
club.
嘅願景，點樣要
Tell
係點解要
stories
加入
about
級
people who
2500，
got into this
講
club and
古
how
仔
they did it.
有關佢哋入到 club 嘅人，同埋
People
佢
who
哋點解
lost
做到
faith
㗎。
and
嗰
didn't
啲人佢可能已
qualify
經冇
and,
咗信
and
心嘅，但係佢哋唔符合資
screwed it
格。
up or walked
做
away
得唔
without
好
the person
或者
through
離
the
開啦，就嗰個
How
人咧
many
就
stories
都
are
仲未係變成呢個
of
超級巨星，其實佢都可以變成
upline
超級
of
巨星㗎。
a
有好
founder
多
or
嘅
a
故仔
chairman or a
就係
president's
創辦
team
完卓
quit
知識會嘅成
verbally.
員或者中創組嘅成員嘅上線，
What a
哇
terrible
放棄
story,
咗漢堡內，哇
right? For
真係好
them.
慘好可惜嘅故仔嚟㗎。
Sometimes it's good to tell those
但係
stories.
有陣時咧，去
The
分享
person
啲故
might
仔
have
其
two
實
people
好
on their
㗎。
team who's like,
有
"Hey,
啲人可能
you
團
don't
隊裏
wanna
邊
walk
有兩
away.
個
Let me
人，
tell you a
喂
story.
你唔想離開，我講個故仔
Don't
俾你
walk
聽
away
啊！
now.
你
Let
而
me
家
tell
唔好
you a
離
story.
開啊！我而家要想分
This
享個故仔
person,
俾
they
你
walked
聽啊！
away
呢個
and they
人咧，
would
佢
have
哋
been
離開
earning,
咗啊！
they
啊，
would
佢
have
哋
earned
可以
X
賺，
dollars
話可
since
以
then.
賺到啊幾多
But they
錢
walked
㗎，
away.
只可以賺到
Don't
幾
be
多
that
錢，但係
person.
佢哋離開咗啊！唔好
Let me
成
tell
為
you
嗰個
about this other
人啦
person who。had
我話
much
俾你
more
聽，你有一個
difficulty than
人
you have,
話
and
佢
they
嘅
stayed the
困
course.
難
They
多過
become,
你好
they
多
became
嘅，但
part
係
of
佢
Club
哋願
2500.
意
Not
繼
only
續
did
留
they
喺
get
度，
into the
佢哋
club,
成為
but they
club
stayed in
2500，
the
唔
club,
單止做
and they
到，
taught
亦都
other
留
people how
喺
to
呢
get
個
in the
club
club.
2500，亦都教其他
And now
人
their
點樣可
business
以
and their
做
life is
到。
completely
而
different.
家佢哋嘅生
But
意
they
係
can do it so
完
quickly.
全脫胎換骨㗎，佢哋做到你都
So
可以做到
learning how
㗎。
to lead others
所以
with
學
your
識點樣帶
assignments,
領其他人，就係透
with your
過
challenges,
你
challenging
俾佢
people
哋
to
嘅
do
做
things
嘅嘢，
faster
同埋
and
咧
do
就係
things
挑
do
戰啲
more.
人咧做啲嘢更加
Sometimes
快，同埋做更加多，
to cast your vision as to
同埋咧就
why
係講
why
出
Club
你嘅願
2500.
景，同埋點解要做到級2500
Let
咧？
me tell you
點
what
解啊？我話俾你聽啊，
the way
有一
I'll,
個
I'll share
方
this
法。
with you in a way.
我而家
I
同
had
你
a
講，
very
有
good
咩方
mentor.
法
He was
咧？就係
cross line for
我有
me,
好嘅師
but he
傅， 佢係我嘅旁線嚟㗎，但係佢係好好嘅師傅嚟㗎。咁嗰陣時咧，其實咧我好憎做屋企嘅會議㗎，就係喺屋企嗰度做分享，好憎做呢樣嘢㗎。所以係我哋公司嘅文化，每一個人咧個都好似話呢個就係我哋要做呢啲嘅嘢咯，你咪出去做咯，即係好似 HOM 咁嘅，做一個商機大會。我好鬼憎做呢樣嘢，我好憎呢樣嘢嘅憎到。我係一個好內向嘅人，我要離開屋企揸車去到另外一個人嘅客廳度，請到10個人，等間所以嗰6 嗰度咧就裏面好多嘅陌生人，我要咧就呢一個嘅直銷商咧就幫助佢哋，咁咧就點樣開始嗰啲新嘅客，咁最終我賺幾多錢啊？75蚊美金，我仲記得我同我嘅上線講，喂，真係唔值㗎，咁樣做對我嚟講唔值㗎，哎呀，真係慘啊，賺少少75蚊美金。咁啊，大概 Eric， 我話俾你聽啊，呢一個咧就唔係話你建立到啲咩嘢，而係你做嘅嘢可以建立到啲咩嘢出嚟啊。佢話你有冇喺呢一個屋企嘅會議，你有冇結果㗎？有，平均嚟講，幾多個客同埋幾多個直銷商啊？我諗大概有2到3個客，一個直銷商啦，係新嘅。好，咁佢就話好，冇問題。如果你一個禮拜做一次嘅呢一啲嘅屋企會議，你覺得你會唔會係更可能可以挑戰你嘅團隊裏邊嘅人係一個禮拜做一次咧？我話可以，佢話如果你一個禮拜做一次，嗰段時間會唔會好可能咧就可以揾到團隊10個人可以一個禮拜做一次咧？我話可以。咁佢話如果佢同你嘅數字一樣嘅話咧，呢個咧就一個禮拜係20到30個新客，一個禮拜咧就10個新嘅直銷商。如果佢數字同你一樣，除咗你嘅一個嘅2、3個客，一個直銷商，呢一度有2到30個，咁呢度10個直銷商，值唔值得你花時間落去做咧？你願唔願意咧？就係擺3個鐘頭喺呢一度，可以有呢一啲嘅成果咧？咁你嘅團隊會唔會更加興奮、更加成功咧？同埋佢哋會留長啲時間咧？所以呢啲嘅好嘢係咪會發生？我話係。佢話如果你做夠長時間咧，你就會揾到100個人咧，就一個禮拜做一次嘅 HOM。我話我明啦。呢個唔係同我賺到75蚊美金，唔係同呢樣嘢有關嘅，而係做一啲需要嘅嘢，可以建立到一個機器。如果有100個人，意思即係話一個禮拜係200到300個新客，100個新嘅直銷商。明啦。咁所以以前我組織裏邊會追蹤㗎，最高嘅我追蹤到嘅咧就係一個禮拜喺屋企嘅介紹，就係有超過1000。咁你有乜諗？哇，2到3千個新客啊，一個禮拜，1000個新嘅直銷商一個禮拜，係每一個禮拜啊，只不過係有一個嘅呢一個嘅活動。咁呢一個係 Club 2500相同嘅原則。有啲人話Club 2500好可以，但係呢一個咧唔係財政獨立喎。咁我可以賺300、400蚊美金。咁呢一個咧就係我點樣符合資格。咁500蚊美金唔會改變我人生噶嘛，同樣嘅原則。如果你做嘅話咧，你會唔會咧就係更成功，可以鼓勵其他人做咧？可以。如果你係揾到10個人，然之後所有人咧都做到級2500，你係做必須要做嘅嘢，你自己肯定要符合資格。而家你有10個人係團隊裏邊係級2500嘅，你係1，佢哋10個，而家有11個人符合資格。可以從中建立嘅銷售量有幾多咧？開始唔錯喎。如果你有10個，可唔可以有100個咧？哇，100個人喺我頭3袋，哇，咁會有幾多咧？哇，呢一個係我嘅事業嚟㗎。呢個係事業嚟㗎，呢個係可以係預計嘅事業嘅，呢一個係穩定同埋穩固嘅事業嚟㗎。好，所以你可以咧同你團隊裏邊嘅人要傾下呢啲嘅嘢。第一，帶領自己，確保你自己做到。第二，帶領其他嘅人，使佢哋咧就係做到級2500。3，學識點樣帶領領袖。有啲嘅人如果佢冒起嘅話咧，佢哋咧就係同佢哋一定要保持好嘅關係，同佢哋保持聯絡。可能佢哋同你做嘅嘢有少少唔同，你揾出呢個方法，點樣去保持一個好強嘅關係，同埋同佢有穩固嘅溝通。因為對團隊嚟講，呢一個咧就係如果你做嘅就會更有生產力㗎。帶領自己，帶領領袖，帶領你嘅團隊。呢一個康寶萊成功嘅5個支柱，我希望你明白嘅就係 2500嘅呢一個嘅符合資格係一個決定，維持做到級2500亦都係一個決定嚟㗎。你可能係中間有啲嘅差異係喺你嘅呢一個嘅能力方面、技巧呢一方面。如果你學識點樣銷售非常之好，學識點樣保證好好。如果你可以保留你帶嚟嘅人，呢個會傷你仲係做得更加容易㗎。如果你有複製㗎，哇！而家我哋開始咧，真係冇係做得好㗎。最終所有嘅嘢都係建基於呢個領導力嘅，作出呢個決定。如果你睇呢一個訓練，我認為你就係個領袖嚟㗎，唔理你係高位階又好，或者唔係都好。呢個就係睇你可以去得幾遠啊！你有幾快你咧就會係覺得好舒服咧？究竟你可以有嘅願景可以有幾大咧？喺你個腦裏邊嘅願景有幾大咧？你諗一諗，哇！頭三代1000個人啊，佢哋係級2500嘅人啊，哇！你可唔可以諗到呢一個咁犀利嘅嘢啦？有乜諗？呢個對你嚟講會有啲乜嘢嘅影響力啦？哇！好大好大嘅影響力㗎。可唔可以做到㗎？肯定可以。如果你揾到1個，揾到2個，揾到2個，揾到10個，揾到10個就揾到100個。呢一個就係取決於一個決定。要成為一個事業嘅呢一個嘅領袖，你要諗出點樣去做，諗出一個嘅方法點樣可以做到，整得好興奮同埋好開心嘅，同埋好尊貴㗎。咁我哋會一齊合作，我同埋公司會係每一步都會係支持大家嘅，好唔好？希望呢個訓練咧，大家覺得係有用啦。好啦，快快脆脆去翻你嘅領導力，揾出嚟，知道點樣去做，諗出你點樣可以做到呢樣嘢，然之後去做，要做到，好冇？愛你哋，好快脆。